Do you want to discover the secret weapon for weight loss, energy, and overall good health? Intermittent fasting isn't just a diet, it's a game changer. Stick around because I'm going to share the 10 life-changing benefits of intermittent fasting that can transform your mind and body. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Linda, and I lost over 40 pounds by adopting an intermittent fasting lifestyle. So let's jump into 10 reasons why intermittent fasting is so life-changing. The first reason is weight loss and fat burning. One of the most popular benefits of intermittent fasting is its ability to promote weight loss. Here's how it works. By narrowing the amount of time you're eating in a day, you naturally reduce your calorie intake. But it's not just about eating less. Fasting helps lower insulin levels, which allows your body to tap into stored fat for energy. With lower insulin levels, your body isn't constantly in fat storage mode. Instead, it shifts into fat burning mode and targets stored fat for energy. This process, called lipolysis, is the key reason so many people see incredible results without feeling deprived. Reason number 2 is improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting gives your body a much needed break from the constant insulin spikes caused by eating throughout the day. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar, but too much of it can lead to insulin resistance, a condition that makes weight loss difficult and increases your risk for developing type 2 diabetes. By fasting, you improve how your cells respond to insulin, allowing your body to manage blood sugar more efficiently. This benefit is especially crucial for women over 40, as hormonal changes can make insulin sensitivity a real challenge. The third benefit of intermittent fasting is increased energy levels. Contrary to the myth that skipping meals leaves you drained, fasting can actually boost your energy. When you fast, your body relies on stored fat for fuel, providing a steady and reliable energy source. Additionally, fasting stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing crashes that often follow high-carb meals. People report feeling energized and alert throughout the day, especially after they adjust to their new routine. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and sign up for notifications so you don't miss out on getting more information on how to lose weight naturally and to finally release that excess weight once and for all. The fourth reason is better mental clarity and focus. Have you ever felt foggy or distracted? Intermittent fasting could be the solution. When you fast, your body produces ketones. Ketones are an alternative energy source for your brain. Ketones not only provide fuel, but enhance mental clarity and focus. This is why so many people experience heightened productivity and feel sharper during their fasting period. Plus, avoiding heavy meals that can make you feel drowsy after lunch will help you power through the day. The fifth benefit of intermittent fasting is simplified meal planning. Let's face it, life is busy. You have so many things you need to juggle in a day. With fewer meals to prepare, you spend less time cooking, cleaning, and deciding what you're going to eat. For a lot of women juggling work, family, and personal goals, this simplicity is a game changer. Whether you stick to 2 meals a day or 1 meal a day, meal planning becomes more straightforward and less stressful. The sixth benefit of intermittent fasting is reduced cravings. Do you find yourself constantly reaching for snacks, especially the sugary ones? Intermittent fasting helps regulate hormones, like ghrelin, the hunger hormone. Over time, fasting can help you recalibrate your appetite, reducing those nagging cravings. You'll also notice that intermittent fasting helps you distinguish between real hunger versus hunger caused by boredom or emotional hunger. The seventh benefit of intermittent fasting is a boosted metabolism. A lot of people worry that intermittent fasting will slow down their metabolism, but when done correctly, that's actually the opposite of what happens. Intermittent fasting promotes the release of norepinephrine and human growth hormone, both of which enhance fat burning and help preserve muscle mass. These hormonal shifts help to keep your metabolism active, ensuring that your body burns calories efficiently. The eighth benefit of intermittent fasting is its anti-aging benefits. Fasting isn't just good for weight loss, it's also good for longevity. It stimulates a process called autophagy, where your body cleans out old damaged cells and generates new ones to replace them. This cellular repair process can reduce inflammation, improves skin health, and slows down signs of aging. The ninth benefit of intermittent fasting is improved heart health. Heart disease is a leading cause of death, but fasting can help improve several markers for heart health. Studies show that fasting can lower blood pressure, reduce LDL or bad cholesterol levels, and decrease inflammation, all risk factors for heart disease. Additionally, by improving insulin sensitivity and lowering the amount of belly fat, fasting indirectly supports cardiovascular health, making it an essential practice for women over 40 who want to stay healthy as they age. The 10th benefit of intermittent fasting is that it's part of a sustainable lifestyle. Unlike restrictive diets, intermittent fasting is flexible and sustainable. You can tailor it to fit your lifestyle, whether that means following a 16-8 schedule or experimenting with longer fasts. The freedom to eat what you enjoy during your eating window also makes it easier to stick to over time. Intermittent fasting is not a quick fix. It's a lifestyle, and that's why so many people find lasting success with fasting. And there you have it, 10 incredible benefits to intermittent fasting. If you're ready to give intermittent fasting a try and finally lose that excess weight, check out my intermittent fasting starter pack linked in the description below. In the next video, I'll go over how you can stay on track during social events and the holidays. So don't forget to subscribe and sign up for notifications so you can see that video as soon as it's up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.